Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious banana milkshake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of cold milk, and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Also, have your blender, measuring cups, and serving glasses ready. Making sure everything is chilled will give your milkshake that perfect, refreshing consistency. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic treat. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add your 2 sliced bananas into the blender. Next, pour in 1 cup of cold milk, followed by 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream. Secure the lid tightly, then blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, so if needed, pause and scrape down the sides to ensure everything is thoroughly combined. This step is key for a lump-free milkshake. To customize your milkshake, it's time to adjust the sweetness and flavor. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey, depending on your preference. For an extra layer of deliciousness, a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract works wonders. Once you've added your desired enhancements, secure the lid and blend for just about 10 seconds. This quick blend ensures all the new flavors are perfectly distributed throughout your creamy banana milkshake. Your delicious banana milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into 2 tall serving glasses. For a lovely presentation, you can garnish each glass with a fresh banana slice on the rim or a light sprinkle of cinnamon on top. Remember, milkshakes are best served immediately to maintain their cold, thick, and refreshing texture. Sit back, relax, and savor every sip of your perfectly crafted treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.